In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop GoToMeeting from running in the background. This is a useful trick to know if you want to optimize your computer's performance by managing which applications launch automatically. While there are several methods to achieve this, we're going to concentrate on using the settings within the GoToMeeting app itself, specifically the App Launch option. To start off, make sure you are on your GoToMeeting dashboard. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu, look for the Settings option. Click on that to open up a new window with various settings you can adjust. Here, you'll find yourself in the General tab by default, which is exactly where we want to be. At the top of this tab, you'll encounter the option labeled App Launch. This is the key to controlling how GoToMeeting starts up when you turn on your computer. You'll notice that there are three main options available for configuring these app launch settings. The first option is Launch GoToApp when computer starts. If this is currently selected and you wish to prevent GoToMeeting from running automatically in the background, you will want to uncheck this. The second and third options allow you to choose whether GoToMeeting launches in the foreground or the background. If you prefer to launch the app manually, select the option that says Launch Manually. This means that GoToMeeting will not start up when your computer does, but instead, you will have to open it yourself each time you want to use it. Alternatively, if you still want GoToMeeting to open when you start your computer but want to manage how visible it is, you can choose either Launch in Foreground or Launch in Background, depending on your preference. Selecting Launch in Foreground will open GoToMeeting right on your desktop, whereas Launch in Background will start the app quietly, without immediately popping up on screen. Now, if you ever find that GoToMeeting is already running and you need to close it manually, you can easily do this by opening up the Task Manager if you're using Windows. Simply press Ctrl+Shift+ESC on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. From there, find the GoToMeeting application in the list of running processes. Once you've found it, click on it to highlight it, and then select End Task to close it immediately. By managing these settings, you can ensure that your computer starts up faster and runs more efficiently, only launching applications that are essential for your tasks. So, take a moment to adjust these preferences according to your needs and enjoy a smoother and more controlled computing experience.